The Ethiopian rout from the hill forts of Jinatsane was total. Huge quantities of abandoned armor would go to swell the liberation arsenal. Jigjiga, a crucial city. Ceded to Ethiopia in 1945, Somali Jigjiga was at last liberated on September the 16th, 1977. Its loss was a decisive blow to the Ethiopians. Of its garrison, no less than half were killed or taken prisoner. Of its weaponry, masses lay intact for reuse in the battle for total liberation. Not only the tank bays in the Mada Pass, but also the vital radar installation on Fik Mountain were destroyed. For the lightly equipped Liberation Front, Jigjiga was a triumph. Standing at the foot of the Karamada Pass, Jigjiga had been thought impregnable. Cowed by the presence of its military garrison, the local Somali population had suffered injustice and indignity here for over 30 years, patiently hoping for the wheel to turn. When their chance came to rise and destroy their oppressors, they seized it with both hands. Within days of its liberation, the town and its markets sprang to bustling life. Never again would foreign oppression rule here. Willing hands reached everywhere to rebuild for the future and cover the scars of the past. Hargeisa, inside the Somali Democratic Republic, was bombed by Russian MiG aircraft in September 1977. The pilots, allegedly, were Cuban. Their targets, civilian. Mosques, schools, hospitals, homes. Nor was the Republic at war. Since the rupture of Somali-Soviet relations in November 1977, Somalia has revealed to the world the cynical opportunism of Russia and her allies. Never concealing her own moral and material support for the freedom fighters of the Ogaden, Somalia is still not at war. But her army is ready. And if forced, she will fight, on her own if need be, to preserve her integrity and her peoples. Nagale, oh,